What the heck? No. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mario and we're back working on the 73 911T. So we got the car pulled in. We're gonna go ahead and get it jacked up, start figuring out what we need to label before we go ahead and drop the motor. As you guys saw last time, we got it home, got it cleaned up at WD Detailing, and yeah, now we're ready to troubleshoot, take it to the next step, getting this thing resealed and just more reliable to get back on the road. Hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Hey, subscribe!
Let's get into it. So we're gonna go ahead and jack up the car, loosen up anything that's gonna stay with the motor, make sure we label everything correctly, know how to put everything back together when it's time to go back in.
Front battery tray. I got a light. Let me go.
Oh, there's our helper right there. Dallas. Where'd you go?
Dang, look at that thing. That thing is nasty.
Oh, I think it's nasty. So we're spraying down a bunch of components to loosen it up. We're gonna go ahead and unbolt the axles, unbolt anything that we need to, drain the oil, kind of get this thing ready to get dropped out. What do you think, Rome?
Said it.
I said it, and I'm mad.
Oh, good. I just oiled it down for you. That's nasty. That's old fart oil.
Don't drink it, Dallas. Don't do it.
We need a rag. That stuff black.
Yeah. We got Naz working on some suspension.
Station.
Rome's messing with drain the oil. Wow.
It tastes like a grape. Grape juice. Pull it out.
Try to pull that out. I get hit from this side, Rome. Here. Let me see.
Alright.
Alrighty.
Should probably mark it, right? There you go. Yeah, she's out.
Nice.
Bro, axle's out, oil drain.
We need to put the car out and get that shift coupling off.
Ain't no much to it than to do it.
Taking off that ground strap right there. We are now up to speed. We're trying to figure out if we haven't missed anything, but I mean, it's pretty simple. These 73 models don't have much to it. I think we're gonna disconnect the shifter coupling in the transmission tunnel.
This harness right here,
That
zip tied together, plugged into here. So we're disconnecting it right here. This right here disconnected from this. This is disconnected right here.
Okay, so that's the
compressor,
CDI box.
CDI box, whatever.
Ignition box.
Under the CDI box, some sort of 3 wires. Green, red, black.
Green, red, black,
Just
plugged
like
into
that.
the bottom of the CDI box.
Green, red, black, plugged into the bottom right there.
Boom, shakalaka. So, got most electrical unplugged. The Roman's working on getting this AC compressor bracket off so it can clear when we're dropping it.
What you playing with over here, boy?
I don't even know anymore.
All the bolts.
Dirty hands, clean money.
Yeah.
Nice. She's free.
She is free.
So we should get let's get like
So
a
if we
towel
could
or
get
Why don't we
something.
unscrew those lines?
Huh?
Unscrew those lines and take it off.
Boy, my car's all back, boy.
Regular? Fuel.
Fuel wins again, bro.
You'll win every day, all day.
Go slow. Bring that light.
Laura, a little more?
Try not to
Keep going. Okay.
Make sure don't rock it, bro. Don't rock it too much.
Okay, hold on, you are. Guys, we need to pull it up. Let's feel like that shaft. That's it. That's all we got. No. Please, come on, Mario. Totally pull back. But jack it up, Mark. Make sure you're jacked up. Okay, Nazar, go. No, not. Okay.
Hold on, go slower, don't look.
All right, boys. Mark,
Hold on.
let's pull it back.
Hold on.
I think.
No.
Careful. See?
Like, let's push it in.
Why don't you just undo it?
Okay.
I understand,
Okay.
it's pulling on the water.
Yeah, that's the way to save some water. Only take showers on Monday.
Yeah, keep so you won't have to rub
Bro.
There you go. She broke loose.
Hold on, no. There. All right, man, let's go. We're done.
That's me tipping photos.
Oh my God.
It ain't worth anything if we don't get it on camera. Yeah, Rome, tuck the crack, bro. Tuck the crack. You know crack kills. Yo, Rome needs to lower his side.
Okay.
Oh.
Slow down here.
Yo, guys.
No, sorry, I'm not.
So we got the motor and transmission pulled. It was a little bit of fun. Forgot a few random little things, but it worked out.
First time, though.
First time. We're gonna go ahead and take the transmission off and then bolt the motor to the motor stand. And yeah, hopefully it goes smooth.
Put it back in
Sorry.
tonight.
Boys, this is YouTube.
Yeah, this is YouTube. I don't think y'all, this ain't your backyard barbecue.
This is backyard build.
Yeah! I'm YouTube too.
This ain't your backyard barbecue, boy.
Your backyard body shop. Hey, come on, we do here. We do brakes, we do oil changes. We clean them up with brake fluid.
Carry on, show us what you got.
We almost home. You guys are almost there. Am I doing it right?
Yo, Rome.
Little to the left. Little to the left. I think it's gonna be easier for you to move the jack.
Tighten it. Or is the jack broken?
Oh, no, the jack's.
I think it might be maxed out.
No, you guys want to try to lift it?
My lift from like over.
Come deadlift. Yeah, grab that bar. Stand in between. Curl it.
Oh no. We're doing this.
Alright, hold on, boys.
Okay, keep going.
Well,
Bro, this is so
Let's see if
shady.
she just hangs.
how is it shady?
It's at $1,200. 1,200 pounds.
Yo, Mike, get in there.
Hey, Tuber.
Hey, Stewart.
Hey, Tutor.
He's trying to wash his hands.
Hope we got it. Oh, dude, hold on.
What a hazelnut, man.
Maybe Nazar then.
Oh, Mario.
Got this bad boy on the stand. You know, 4 men picked this bad boy up. Car's floating, and yeah.
Stan, but you don't gotta call me Stan.
So we shall see, you know, once we do a little more digging and see how crusty this thing really is. That's fun.
but it's what we got.
Big hole. Big old hole. You guys see carpet?
I mean, I guess duct tape does fix everything.
Duct tape definitely does the job.
Sheesh McGeesh. The neon green.
Welds are out of style. With that silver glitter.
What the heck?
My car's made of silver.
Yo, Lube, you gotta be vacuuming right now, boy.
Whoa!
Sheesh McGeesh,
Oh
boy.
my goodness. The dude literally used duct tape instead of welds.
Dang.
She's gonna need some work.
You know you ain't want to mess with that.
You could tickle someone's foot through that while they drive the car.
Hey, where'd my foot go?
Hey, you know what? It looks better with duct tape on there. We got any more?
Hey, my intake seal's gone. You probably changed it.
Yo, why these things ain't running right?
Cause you ain't got no gas in here.
I know why.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
That's why.
How come the only one with a kid is the most immature one? Hit the like button to see more of this.
Alright, so that's gonna be wrap for today's video. As you saw, me and the boys pulled the motor out of the 912E. It was a little bit of a mission because we forgot to unhook a few things, but it is what it is. For the first time, we didn't break anything, which is a good thing. It's sitting here. We saw a few things already, saw some more crap that kind of was in there. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it up, buy a lot of parts, hopefully reseal this thing, and yes, see what's next for this car. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out the other air-cooled content. Last week we got the other 86 Targa to run. This time we pulled the heart out of this one. So, be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Subscribe!
Drop a like and a comment. Catch you guys next time. As always, be blessed and be superish.
It's a wrap.
Am I not turtly enough for the Turtle Club? All right, roll cams on, pants up, crack away.
Crack away. At the work. Subscribe!
Yeah, nobody's perfect no matter how they portray themselves. I know some people that have tried, but then they lost themselves. Nobody's perfect no matter how they portray themselves. I know some people that have tried, but then they lost themselves.
It's kinda crazy how this world's got a standard. Climb that social ladder, we feel those pockets fatter. This life ain't cake, leaves you lonely and awake. But our God is good, He's the baker, wear His batter.